What's up, guys? Saulius, I'm back again. So today we're going to play Idle Boats. Yeah, we're going to play this one. We never heard them, but let's continue. So please observe we lost of that. So they had new difference. This would be zombies, indestructible, and ruin. Bottega, this is a new one. Yay! I make sure earn and then up. Yeah, these I need. Good. We lost of space beach. Yeah, that. Original was supposed to be get maxed out, but unfortunately we didn't have much time so because it still failed. I have to continue, yes. I forgot there was no music. Damn it. Do you want to play reporter? Yeah, but damn. Well, if I'm going to try play this Metal Hospital 6 try evil, the game's good, but damn, I can't do it. I want to play reporter 1. Yeah, I want to play it. Before I'm going to play second one, I need to beat the first one because I never beat it. So I need to install this. So I tried it didn't let me. So that means I have to install. Oh no, so I need to show it using these it will work. Oh no, so I need to try to get it for lock. If it's not locked, this will be out for lock. Shit, so that means I'm too scared if it will work or not. I hate this game. I hate you Google so much. Every time not for fleets, you have to pay. Fuck this. I'm not accept this shit, pay this shit. I just want it for free. No. Now for instance something's give for price, you get this. Not for free. Are you actually this sucks. We have to earn money again. No, I mean we have to try to download APK. We make sure to install OBB. Yeah, about OBB. This sucks. We have to use these websites for works. Oh come on. This sucks. If we finally work with part of one game, so that means we finally going to play it. So we make sure what's going on, and we have to investigate what happened to reporter 1. Yeah, that part. I never beat reporter 1 game, but I'm gonna try this one. This is we finally going to play reporter 1, so I'm happy. If not, I'll be pissed as shit. I know you're gonna be angry. Reporter 2 was working, but the first one didn't work. Are you kidding me? So I have to use. Oh my gosh, I hate for my life. So let's upgrade boats, and then we're going to max out tickets and speeds, and then we're going to max out boats and done. This sucks. Hey, you know I hate this for my life. What about Dark Force Lost Story? Oh, I never heard them, but the game would be good. But one thing I need to find was 6 souls. Why? Well, because you have the exit door. You not let you pass. You have to find 6 souls and you have to escape. And be careful that part, a granny. easy kill you. I will call him Baba Yaga. Why Baba Yaga? Well, because she was evil. And also, you will die 3 hits and this game's over. So you have to find 6 souls and that's it? Yes. They get there's a pod what helps this. We make sure without getting killed by this. Yeah, we have to avoid without took any damage. If you die again, you have to do over again. Because collect 6 souls, definitely trash. But the level 1 easy. But level 2 piece of cake, but level 3 sucks. And level 4 never been the stage. And also what about skeleton? I want to see if skeleton kill me or not. If he kill me, skeleton. So I did not know. So okay game, we have to wait soon. It's been 6 minutes gameplay. Do you saw about La Bobo before? Yes, and I saw this in Nasifurk A. La Bobo Nasifurk. Are you sure? Yeah, actually real. I searched every for this is was real. Okay. I did not know La Bobo this is a real for Nasifurk, and yeah, this was real. I was not expecting, man. Jesus Christ. Just say Jesus Christ, dude. I was not expecting, man. I know. 8 minutes gameplay. Fuck, so we need to max out boats and done. If we did not max, and of course continues. Oh. We're going to last upgrade speed and then we're going to max out boats. 6 million, oh my god. I hate this game so much. I was not expecting the game so bad and yet earn money a lot. We maxed out speed, okay, so we need to earn again. Yeah, 9 minutes gameplay. We had left 6 minutes. We have to spend 6 minutes, we'll make it or not. We never know. We're gonna try it. If we did, yay. If not, oh. This sucks, man. I'm really getting tired to this shit. Oh my god. Yeah, definitely we're going to make it. So finally we maxed out boats. But now I'm fucked. I wasted that minute. This sucks. I definitely going to try this one. Can I download Reporter 1? Yes or no? So we're going to test this one, okay? Yeah, okay, but I'm fucked. Oh no. Stick up that. Okay, can you level up 100? This will be maxed or not. If this is not maxed, that means it's still ongoing, so that means there was no way out to level up that. If this is 100 level up, this means we maxed out, so that means we so fucked. Finally, we maxed out a boat. Takeoff was over. We completed this was maxed, and we completed Beach Town, Beach CD, Interstructor, Space Beach. Next will be Zombie Beach. Thank God. Finally, we are back. This took forever. Oh, money. Are you actually fucking the level? And we're going to level up 97. Okay, come on, we need to level up, please. Oi, oi, it sounds oi, oi, he need upgrade. Thanks, thanks, and then, yeah, close. No, we're not going to make it because we didn't have it, so fine. Let's upgrade speed up, and done. Need up the speed. Are you? I need speed, please. Okay, we did upgrade speed. So yeah, this was okay, but was not good. So why we need upgrade speed? Well, because we have to earn money. Yeah, we're going upgrade speed. That's it. We upgrade level up 5. So that means I would say goodbye, Saulius, and see you tomorrow. And stay tuned for that. Either boats next day. Bye.